Hello class, my name is Nathan Bravo and today I'll be discussing the murder trial of Joseph Smith. This video will explain the main aspects of the trial, what the trial tells us about the time period, and most importantly, the impact this trial had on American history. All sources will be cited down in the script below. Let's get right into it. Our story begins in a jail cell in Carthage, Illinois. Two brothers by the name of Joseph and Hiram Smith reside on the second floor holding cell with fellow Mormons for the evening of June 27, 1844. A mob of assailants rally below the jail, storm into the cell with hopes of gunning down the charismatic religious leader. Hiram Smith is shot and killed, while Joseph is wounded. He leaps from the window below to be finished off by the mob. 9 men would then receive indictments from a grand jury, but only 5 of those 9 would face trial. The jury was picked over the notion that the pro-Mormon population would ensue prejudice over the defendants. The revised jury contained 96 people, 4 of which were Mormon. The state's case faced fear of similar fate, while the defense capitalized on the state's uneasiness to provide sufficient evidence. Ultimately, all 5 men were acquitted and viewed as the restoration of peace and further violence throughout the county. The verdict came as no surprise to Mormons and clarified introspects onto greener pastures. This particular time period underwent significant religious conflict. Joseph Smith was revered as a prophet and the people's champion when it came to their unearthly visions. This trial was a massive change for Mormons. The verdict of the trial resulted in large quantities of Latter-day Saints to seek exodus onto westward departure to what is now known as Salt Lake City, Utah. The crime itself casted a dark image of the justice system and was one of the first well-documented instances of religious martyrdom in American history. Thank you guys for listening.